Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can launch a Windows app with a keyboard shortcut. The process is a bit different if you're trying to launch a Windows desktop app than it is for a Windows Universal Platform app. I'm going to start with the desktop apps first. You need a shortcut to the desktop app, and I've got one here for Chrome. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties from the context menu. On the Properties window, you want to go to the Shortcut tab, and the Shortcut tab has a shortcut key field. Click inside it and record the shortcut that you want to use for opening the app. The shortcut has to include the Control and the Alt modifier keys, so I'm going to go with Control plus Alt plus C for Chrome. Click Apply and OK, and then when I tap Control plus Alt plus C, it opens Chrome. Now for the Universal Windows Platform apps. You have to first create a shortcut for the Universal Platform app that you want to add a keyboard shortcut for. I'm going to go with Netflix. So the easiest way to do this is to open the apps list in the start menu, and then just click and drag the app that you want to add a shortcut for onto your desktop. So in my case, it's Netflix. After that, the rest is the same. Right-click the Universal Windows Platform app shortcut that you created and select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab and click inside the shortcut key. Record the shortcut that you want to use. I'm going to go with Control plus Alt plus N because it's Netflix. And then I'm just going to click Apply. And when I tap Control plus Alt plus N, it opens Netflix. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tips and tricks for Windows 10.